Part number 4937C, made in January 15th of 2022 by GPD, that's Global Parts Distributors Incorporated. This is actually the condenser coil for a Nissan Maxima Gen 4. The one I'm putting this in is a 1999 Maxima, and it arrived in pretty good shape. It's got the stone deflector already mounted at the bottom, and it's got aluminum mounting bosses down here at the bottom that plug into the rubber receptacles. It also has the rubber isolators here, and this one's got the got one connector here that's O-ring connector with a bolt, and there's another connector on this side. I'll flip it upside down. This is actually the bottom, and this would be the driver's side, and this here is the passenger side. So I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. So here's the other connector here. It's got a bolt, threaded bolt with an O-ring connection, and it's got a plastic fitting in there to keep debris out. It comes just like this. This one's got a plastic cap on this side too, and it looks like it was in pretty good shape. There's no damage at all. It comes ready to install, and gonna be putting it in. Looking forward to having a cool riding car.